Hello everyone, this is Sean, your roof guy. We're in downtown Eustis getting ready for an adjuster appointment. A couple things I want to go over before the adjuster gets here. Some things that really helped me and have helped me over time. I think maybe they'll help you guys as well. But first thing I want to do when I have an adjuster appointment is I want to be prepared. First thing to do is be on time, maybe early. This appointment is in about an hour, but I'm here and I'm set up and ready to roll. Make it easy for the adjuster when they get here. Have easy access set up, have a ladder set up, have clean entry to the ladder. This guy's going to be here for a hailstorm we had back on May 22nd of last year. I have the documentation for that hailstorm. I'll offer it to the adjuster. I've got a roof measure report that I'll offer to the adjuster as well. And then we'll get on the roof and we'll know where the damage is. One of the things I don't ever do is I'm never on the roof when the adjuster shows up. There's no reason to be. You've had plenty of time to get on this roof before the adjuster appointment, find the damage you're comfortable with, and be prepared for them. Next, we're just gonna sit here and wait for the adjuster to get here. So